Have you ever wondered how to tune a single-loop PID controller? It's a question that might sound complex at first, but with a little understanding and guidance, it becomes an intriguing journey into the world of control systems. Imagine a PID loop as a delicate balancing act. It stands for proportional integral derivative, three parameters that help to maintain stability in a system. Tuning a PID loop is like finding the perfect balance between these three elements, ensuring the system operates smoothly and efficiently. So how do you go about tuning a PID loop? Firstly, set the initial parameters. This means setting all three parameters, proportional integral derivative, to 0. Next, it's time to increase the proportional gain, or the P gain. This is done gradually until the system starts to oscillate. It's important to note the point where this oscillation begins, as it's a crucial part of the process. Moving on, adjust the integral gain, or the I gain. This helps to reduce any steady-state error. A word of caution here though, introducing too much can lead to instability, so it's critical to find the right balance. The next step involves adjusting the derivative gain, or the D gain. Adding a small amount of D gain can improve the system's response and reduce overshoot. Once these steps are complete, it's time for some fine-tuning. Iterate through these steps, making small adjustments to each parameter to achieve the desired response, without excessive oscillations or overshoot. The next stage is a stability check. It's vital to ensure the system remains stable under different operating conditions. Finally, testing and optimization. Test the tuned PID controller under various scenarios to verify its performance and optimize if needed. Remember, tuning a PID loop is often an iterative process, and the optimal tuning depends on the specific characteristics of the system you're controlling. So there you have it, the intricate yet fascinating process of tuning a PID loop. It's a dance of adjusting and fine-tuning, of finding balance and ensuring stability. It's a dance that, when mastered, can bring harmony to any control system.